Hey everyone, today I'm talking about Apex One AI, which is a project that makes you money on crypto pairs by using smart farming techniques, which involves AI technology and also quantum computing techniques. Except it's a giant Ponzi and a very detailed and elaborate scam project, which is just here to take your money. In this video, I'm going to show you the lengths they've gone to trick investors and why it is so difficult to spot this as a scam project. When looking at their website, you can see that it's very convincing and detailed. They have a section on how the AI works, security, team, a regular blog, and even a 25-page white paper. They have a Twitter and a Telegram, and you can see the team. This all sounds pretty promising, right? Well, it is until you start to uncover the lies and everything starts to unravel. A good place to start would be looking into the team. And you can see their CEO, Mike Litton, is a pretty respectable looking guy with a pretty impressive bio. Enrolled at Brighton University, Mike's fascination with mathematical modeling and neural networks flourished, particularly their potential in predicting currency rates and stock prices. The allure of blockchain technology became irresistible, compelling him to explore its revolutionary applications. Let's look at another impressive member of the team, Mike Hall, who also has a pretty good bio. I wrote my first program when I was 8 years old, and at the 16 age, launched my first startup. Studying mathematical modeling and neural networks at Brighton University, I was particularly interested in the artificial intelligence possibilities for predicting currency rates and stock prices, and therefore just could not pass by blockchain. Yes, Scott was also their CEO, and yes, this multi-million-dollar company changed founder and CEO just 6 months in. Now, you might think, well, yeah, that's fine. A lot of companies actually change CEO during the life of the company, and that is true. But beside the fact that they both basically have exactly the same bio, Scott Hall is actually an actor and an English teacher from Brazil called Diogo Pereira. Here he is on set talking about how great it was to practice his acting and English skills for a video that's now been deleted. I asked Samantha, their digital marketing specialist, about this, and she said that yes, Scott was an actor hired for the launch. She also said the fact is that Mike Litton, the founder of the company and director, was very ill and could not speak on camera because he was in the hospital. So the company management, in his absence, decided to get confused and contract EVO Films. The launch deadline must be kept at any cost. Okay, let's give them the benefit of the doubt, and maybe Mike Litton was sick for the launch and he wasn't able to do videos. But what about their chief data protection officer, Edward Wise? This guy's real name is actually Rodrigo Nosaki, who is another paid actor. So not only are they lying about who their CEO is, for some bizarre reason, they also decided to lie about their head of security, who isn't even featured on their new site. Here is their new CEO talking, and you can make up your own mind.
Good afternoon, dear clients and partners. Today I'm delighted to talk to you about the benefits and potential of artificial intelligence in crypto investments, and also the use of this technology at Apex One AI for your financial success.
Funnily enough, at their time of launch, which was about 6 months ago, a lot of their videos actually uses a paid voiceover actor. So why not just do a similar thing instead of bringing in a paid actor and using their image? Apart from his photo and the information on the website, I can't find any information about Mike Litton anywhere. Okay, so maybe it is just all a big misunderstanding, and maybe what they actually said is true. It's a stretch, so I looked at that business registration. Is it actually a legit company? And what I found was really surprising. Here it shows everything, and it's all saying the right things, including that it's a fund management activities company. And Mike Litton was appointed on the 18th of July, 2023, which was after all their promo videos when he was sick and when they actually launched. So why wasn't he appointed when the company was actually founded? If we look at the documents, we can actually see Scott Hall was appointed on the 29th of April. And if you remember, he was the actor hired for the launch. So why are they making an actor the director of their company? Maybe to keep the illusion alive. Something else that doesn't add up is their corporate offices. And I was told that they have over 50 employees working for the company, and about 20 of them works in their London office. Now, the only problem with this is that their office, which is located at 223 Regent Street in London, is actually a virtual office. And here's the company that provides them with their virtual office. Now, virtual offices are actually pretty common in business, and businesses will usually do them to cut down on costs and have a place where it can be the official headquarters where mail can go. They can fill out forms with the address, and also you can give yourself an exclusive fancy London address. So where are these 20 people who work at the London office actually working? So things just aren't adding up. They've legally made an actor from Brazil their company director, and they've also got a whole load of people working in offices that don't actually exist. And they've done something else which you won't believe either. If we look back at their filing history, we can see on the 2nd of May, they filed for a dormant company. And so a dormant company is considered inactive or dormant if it is not trading or receiving any form of income from trading. Companies doing their best to avoid paying taxes is nothing new. So why, in this now deleted video featuring our good actor friend Scott, are they boasting massive growth of tens of millions of dollars during the exact time that they're telling the tax department that they have no growth or profits? And I was told, since we pay for all expenses through cryptocurrency, we took the opportunity to reduce the tax burden and switch to the status of a sleeping company. Okay, cool. So they're deducting their expenses to offset their income to reduce paying tax, which again is nothing actually new. But what company, which is only less than a year old, has tens of millions of dollars worth of expenses? Could it be that they're lying to investors to make their company seem better than what it actually is? I mean, it's not like they have a history of blatantly lying to people. And if we look at their blog using Wayback Machine, we can see in February of 2023, which is included in that tax year, they boast beta testers making cash. And so the company should be making profit too. And you can also see in this now deleted video of their presentation boasting of their growth, check out how they spelt growth. Now, this obvious grammar mistake would be a huge red flag when introducing yourself to investors. Probably everyone in this room is a paid actor. So they made an actor their director, have employees working in a non-existent office, boast of their massive growth, yet somehow have millions of dollars of expenses to offset that, and don't know how to spell during crucial investor presentations. Not what you'd want in a company handling your money. But wait, there is more. There's no smart contract, so they can literally do whatever they want with the money. They claim this is because at times of congestion, transactions would be slow and traders would miss out. I'm sure with their millions of dollars, they could figure this out with contracts within contracts, like other lending and farming DeFi protocols do. Their LinkedIn doesn't have any significant info. I can't find their new CEO anywhere. Their website has different URLs. One is .global and the other is .ai. One has the white paper and the other doesn't. They promote using quantum computer techniques, but these type of computers aren't even available commercially yet. And they have bots in their Telegram boasting of the profits that they're making. Also, the jobs they had advertised on their site in May 2023, which is about 6 months ago, is exactly the same as they have now in exactly the same order. And they said, at the moment, the company is fully staffed. The vacancies are relevant due to the fact that in the event of an employee's dismissal, we must have a resume prepared for quick employment. So the current advertised positions are false and they never change. And the reason for this is, well, in case somebody gets fired, we might have to quickly hire somebody else. Companies do keep CVs on file and they do contact people on these CVs when an opportunity opens, but they don't falsely advertise jobs that don't even exist on their website. Maybe it's just to give the illusion to investors that they're a bigger company than what they actually are. There's too many inconsistencies and lies. All of this is just to push the idea and the illusion and to make it really convincing. These type of Ponzi seem very believable and they will run for ages, right up to the point when they rug you.